Get winning by spazzing out with the Spazmatic. Isle Casino Hotel Waterloo. The awesome 80s come alive on Thursday, August 28th at 8 p.m. Devote your night to the hottest tunes as they keep you moving and marching through the 80s. The show is free, and fun for all. Spend your night under the stars. Bring a lawn chair, though chances are you won't need it. Food and drinks are also available for purchase. So grab your friends and get to this free outdoor concert. Don't miss the fantastic show of the summer. It's the Spazmatic playing the 80s music you love the most. August 28th at 8 p.m. Isle Casino Hotel Waterloo. Gates open at 7:30 p.m. So don't miss a beat. For more information, visit theislewaterloo.com. Big hair is optional. Management reserves the right to change or cancel promotion without notice. Gambling the problem, there is no but call 1-800-BEST-OFF, theislewaterloo.com. No way, I've got 600 WMT.
That's right. Child born in 2013 will cost a middle-income American family an average of $245,340 until they become an adult. We thought we'd check in on the rising cost of raising a child and why that cost hasn't stayed at the same rate as inflation. So let's check in with our financial strategist and also co-founder of GuardVest. Audie Apple is with us. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
We're great. So what's going on with those numbers?
Hey, sign me up for one of those, right? Sounds great.
Right.
But, we just need to be thankful for the heat of the moment because if this was a dispassionate analysis, there'd be a lot fewer children born, I'm afraid. Look, the numbers are up. And even adjusting for inflation, the study's been around for a long time. Even after adjusting for just the rate of general inflation, the cost of raising above and beyond that. And it's, to the point where, put it in context, the median price home in the U.S. is $273,000. It's like having another house here. So if this, get your attention, make people realize what they're stepping into and hopefully get prepared for it.
All right, so what kind of cost are they?
हेलो
हाँ हेलो हाँ ज्यादा हवा बारिश आए जैसे लग रहा तो कहीं रुक जाओ या फिर
नहीं मैं जा रहा है यहाँ पूरे गाड़ियाँ चल रही है रोड पे ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है वैसे रहे तो रुक जाता ठीक है
हाँ एक बार कॉल कर देना फिर
हाँ हाँ कर दो
When they were working as much in the workforce then, yeah.
You hit the bullseye. I mean, now that number's 18%. And then that's what, we got a lot more double income families. So, you got to pay for child care. And so that's 18%. Now you touch the emergency category, layer top of all those other things that have gone away.
I wonder if you did one parent just decided to stay home. They have. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Do you know the answer to this yet?
Well, yeah, it's a function of size in a lot of cases versus, middle-income America, when you really sit down and do the math. You say, well, I make $50,000, but what am I taking home after all of these taxes, community expenses, the cost of working, and you got to back out housing. There's so little left, but I think increasingly folks are saying, is this really worth it? Yeah, even if you have a positive number left, what about quality of life?
Yeah, and people are saying, why am I living to pay a mortgage? When, if maybe one parent decides to stay home and the other, has the breadwinner salary, you're going to cost of living is if you drop that stuff. You might actually have a better, life versus, living to feed the mortgage monster and the family at the same time.
Apparently what you say your mom is the mortgage monster has come. Yeah. There are a couple of times.
Well, what about the cost of college work? I would imagine that's really going up as well.
Absolutely. Hopefully with the very period and also that's the rest part of the parents is doing it, however it might be, but still not going down.
Thank you, Artie. Thank you. The bag for our Friday as well. Showers thunderstorms in South Coast Central. After today, could see another round later as well. It's from mid-80s. See around the 74 degrees. At the top and bottom of every hour, it's 671 a.m. The Rapid. After some of the cowboy details of full of humanitarian aid, these declared that it's not entering Ukraine and a border checkpoint held by rebels. The head of Ukraine's security service said it was a direct invasion, adding it's the first time one was taking place under Red Cross power. In fact, the Red Cross said it's not important that Sunday to have a ground security guarantee. Russia says civilians under siege need supplies and extended sites over the border are not waiting for Ukraine's approval. Our radio's Alistair Wilson had about talking about a long-term strategy against ISIS militants in Iraq and Syria. ISIS has possibility indicating strategic vision and which will eventually capture the defeat. And the potential active mean going into Syria. Our radio's Alistair Sutherland in Washington. Fox News, we report, you will decide. And then keeping our eyes on the radar, I'll tell you what, south of Iowa City and moving to the southeast, there is a pretty nasty looking little line of thunderstorms there. We'll stay on top of that for you this morning. We're also going to catch up with Tim Lammers, our movie reviewer. He's got a couple.
हेलो
हाँ बंद कर लिया ना डोर और
हाँ डोर तो बंद है। आप कहाँ पे हो? बारिश बहुत तेज आ रही है।
हाँ मैं ब्रिज पे हूँ अभी जा रहा धीरे धीरे जा रहा हूँ।
तो बारिश आ रही क्या बहुत?
हाँ बारिश एकदम आगे तेज आ गया।
ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर साइड में रख दो।
हाँ वहाँ साइड में जहीं भी है वहाँ साइड में रुक जाता मैं कुछ भी।
हाँ
हाँ
कॉल कर देना एक बार तो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Looking for a robber this morning. There has been someone around the 6th floor and 4 o'clock where no details have been unavailable. Suburbs continues under the advantage of forming outside of Korea and Service University of Iowa, the original facility built in 1972. They were invited to Johnson and Florida and has been demolished now in Figure Light. Bob Klein is the marketing director and says the new university is going up nearby. Building west north of it. According to the city park, it is 11 cars around now based on that. I was at the checkpoint. A brand new building is large enough and already said the auditorium itself the auditorium are working now on the lobbies and offices. The building started to open in the fall of 2016. And then in 2015, 2016, thinking about utilizing training around the Iowa area. That's the starting to turn those back, but the time is crazy. Criminal in news Iowa to be seen broken records jobs because the community to provide for the documents for former employees. Dr. Petition has officially charged the year of the Iowa Public Information Board that knowingly violated the federal records law. And it's $4,000 of convictions. Former county marshal and served requesting a month's worth of correspondence between Fox and other officials. Documents that the other convictions still. Watch out over 4% this year, according to experts from Gail Weinholzer says the prediction is 34 million Americans to travel 50 miles or more from home.
We do the trip online, free of charge, regardless of membership. We also have some of our tour books available, as well as our AAA mobile app that will help people find hotels, restaurants, movie places where they travel.
Yes, the North American pursuing the lowest gas prices for August in 2010. And the college community said that this expanding the program and teachers say is making a difference. CSFC loyalty jobs to teachers serving Americans have been providing a couple of months. Giving filters on every acre you plant, so you can own some harvest. Bigger yields are in the bag. LGC, our seed, your soil, total success. TPS and Oakwood, TPS and Hopkinton, and Greg McDonald in Cleveland.
Fast, reliable data and voice connection with Mediacom Business. With the fiber network is 500 times faster than traditional DSL. The fiber network that connects the municipalities, healthcare, schools, and business to power growth. Mediacom means business.
This relevant demonstration is tuning in. That's all it's for a NASCAR weekend. September 15th through 14th at Route 66 Chicago and Freeway. Register online at ChicagoWNC.com or August 22nd. And you could be out for the races with AMC Monday WNC. Stop the glorious drive. Probably not. Technology that focus on customer preference unlike any other brand I've ever worked with, because the kind of service you never associated in the jet line. Don't go to your job and drive. Let us pass, make sure it's gas. None of those other things matter, but that's what makes sure it's well for exciting. From the time you walk through the door until the time you leave, they deal with the best high-level staff around. Every one of them has proven technical skills, they all have great attitude, and they all deliver concierge level service. Sounds too good to be true, but please find out for yourself. Larry Sanders is something you patients right now. So 396-3596, 396-3596, or do it online at gloriousstuff.com. The dogs that are Friday at Red, Showers, Summit, Jam, South Bay Sam, directly today, you can come around later as well. It's 75 degrees in Chicago. That's our best part of 843. 600 to do something extra special for someone in need. Back in 1993, Jane Howard Feldman established the National to encourage people to put poverty before themselves and perform random acts of kindness. That's an idea. For example, say a parking meter for somebody mows the neighbor's lawn. That's illegal to put a parking meter. It's going to start to rain on the place. Angel without knowing the law. Drive through, you pay for the person, you know, that kind of thing. Somebody can write their day. Do something special for somebody who is a national human They started the first round of ball games yesterday. And KCI beat CBI Scott Taylor with a 6-6 strike to Jack Johnson. That fired a 368 5% just 3 shots behind the leader, Ray Van Pelt. Jonathan hit a host of big nights. Like the Barrels hit 6-5 win over Baylor this Thursday night, and opener of their series in 44. Third baseman Blazers 4 runs, including 3 with a triple in 7 innings. The Commodores were also scored today offense, and out of an earlier RBI, 6-game road trip to the victory. Taylor's magic number to put the playoff spot now at 4. The Jets are not a game remaining in the regular season. The football expectations are high for the Cornell Rams this season. The first time since 2001, Cornell finished with a winning season, won 73 in 2013. This year, the Rams hope to take it a step further. They have the experience to do it this year. The Bats putting 9 on offense. They return their top 2 running backs and top 2 wide receivers. The Rams are occupying the quarterback to lead the offense with the graduation of 3-year starter Lon Taylor. Service is offered by the Iowa Insurance Division. Go to our website at doublesjet.iowa.gov. That's doublesjet.iowa.com. For our phone number, or minutes to service. isn't bringing in as much money as expected because thousands of companies subject to the tax aren't paying it unexpectedly. The Treasury is Inspector General for Tax Administration. Russell George conducted the audit. He says the IRS had better step up its game in policing the tax, which took effect in January 13. But the agency can't even figure out what companies owe the money. The IRS expected that they'd break in over $1 billion in new revenue within the first 6 months, but it didn't happen. They fell short by 24%. The IRS expected they'd get some 16,000 tax returns from medical device makers, but they only got 5,000. So either the businesses don't know about the tax requirements or they are simply ignoring it. A majority of Congress is in favor of repealing the device tax requirements. Thanks to lots of medical device companies, like Minnesota. Even Democrats have gone on record saying they want it repealed. But it's still around, just as the majority of Americans.
That's 1-800-200-4695. Be one of the first to get your risk-free information kit. That's HomeIncomeOnline.com. 1212.
Doug Wagner, your host for What's Happening weekdays 9 to 11 on 600 WMT. And on Friday's show, we'll be talking about an event coming up at the end of this month, August 30th. It's an Iowa Rock and Roll reunion complete with members of the Iowa Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Join us on Friday morning. We'll be talking about it. It's What's Happening in 600 WMT. This update is brought to you by the iHeartRadio app.
Traffic backups waste gas. Cause you to be late to work again. Don't spend the day getting the evil eye from your clock-watching boss. Get the latest traffic and weather together wherever you are on the iHeartRadio app. Download it today. Now a check on the road from the Castle Motor Service Total Traffic.